We are TOIZ Construction LLC, and this is our bid proposal on the Flagstaff Municipal Courthouse. First, a brief overview of our history. My name is Iyulu Ashuran Wu. I'm a project manager. I joined TOIZ Steel on May 14th, 2014, and I have 17 years in the construction industry.
Hi, my name is Augie Mersick. I'm a foreman for TOIZ Steel, and I joined the company on August 10th, 2014, and I have 14 years in the construction industry.
Hi, I'm Zakai Martin. I'm a project manager, and I joined TOIZ Steel February 4th, 2014, and I have 23 years in the construction industry.
Hi, my name is Troy Balfus. I'm a project engineer. I joined TOIZ Steel April 5th, 2014. I have 19 years in construction.
Some of our previous jobs. Our first job was G Unit's Playground. It was a 90,000 square foot, 2-story steel building. It was completed in 2005. Then our most recent completed project was the Angel Reese School for the Blind, which was a 120,000 square foot, 3-story steel building completed earlier this year. Some of our current projects going on are the Family Feud Resort, expected to be done in 2025. And then the Marlin Bros Getaway, which is a 200,000 square foot residence with multiple buildings, that's expected to be done in 2027.
Safety equals TOIZ Steel. When you think safety, we want you to think TOIZ Steel. In the year 2023, we had an EMR rating of 0.52, which in the construction industry is almost unheard of. TOIZ Steel provides and requires all employees to complete multiple safety trainings prior to stepping foot on a job site. We also provide a mandatory safety orientation, and during all working hours of TOIZ Steel operation, we have a safety manager on site.
For the project scope, we'll be performing all the steel framing, steel joist framing, steel decking, and providing all connections and accessories. Our fabricator we'll be working with is Artisan Metalworks LLC, and we have a long history of working with them, and we'll be receiving our deliveries directly to our job site.
For the site logistics of the project, TOIZ Steel is very familiar with working in tight-knit, busy, traffic-heavy areas. Due to the congested job site, we will be utilizing an empty yard just north of the project. This empty yard will be used as a material laydown, delivery unloading zone, employee and machine parking area. Our team has closely analyzed the job site along with all nearby roads and areas to properly utilize all the space that is available. For material delivery and unloading, all steel will be fabricated at Artisan Metalworks LLC, as previously mentioned. We have a long and good standing relationship with them, so we do expect all materials to be on time and ready to go. Delivery trucks will drive east on Route 66, and then they will take a right on North Lareau, where they will then take a left on West Cherry Ave, where they will then arrive to the material laydown zone. Trucks will be unloaded by the crane and forklift when possible. All unneeded material will be laid down in the laydown yard, and all material that is needed for the current working day or soon will be put on the job site. The phases of construction for this project have been divided into 4 separate phases, and each phase will have 2 separate subphases. The crane will remain stagnant during all phases, so Artisan Metalworks will provide us with steel beams, composite beams, steel columns, lintels, shear studs, plates, connections, and all steel decking.
So for the schedule, you put in a lot of time to calculate exactly how much time we would need for each sequence. We will first view the site and determine what our scope of work will be as soon as we are awarded the project. The delivery will begin March 14th, 2025 to give a buffer to the delivery team to be able to ensure that we have all the materials that we need day 1 of the erection phase. And then each sequence of construction has a minimum of 10 business days to erect. We're allowing for the weekends to be worked during those during the erection phase, which is June 1st through July 31st. So we have to ensure we have enough time and we don't fall behind. And for the timeline, some of the milestones for our project include the bid award date, which is December 8th, mobilization, which is April 9th, 2025. We begin ordering steel May 8th, and we will continue to order steel until July 21st. And then we have the closeout, which is June 1st through August 25th. And we have steel erection window, which is again June 1st through July 31st, and then demobilization. And then for the productivity during construction, these rates are based on typical field conditions for structural steel erections, and these rates include 14.4 tons per day for beam insulation and steel column erection. And then for the decking insulation, it's 4,900 square feet per day. Welding and bolting connections, 32 connections per day. And then plumb alignment and bracing is 1 hour per column. So we have more than enough time.
Moving on to the cost overview. We have a very condensed version of the cost sheet over here on the left side, but some of the key factors to look at, our profit value is at 4.9%. The average profit in the industry is about 5.5%. So we've cut down a little bit on our take to save you money. The cost calculations focused on precision. We wanted to give the most accurate numbers possible to create cost certainty. You know exactly what you're paying for. Major numbers, we have our grand total before tax, which is $604,123.91, and with tax, $645,808.46. Our pricing is highly competitive, and we expect to be one of, if not the lowest bid on the market. Alongside our cost overview, we have our total tons of steel here, which is 154.742 tons, which does not include the decking or studs. Studs are measured in individual, and decking is square footage. As for a closeout, we have an experienced team, well-structured plans, a fast and flexible schedule, and competitive bid pricing. So TOIZ Steel is right for your job. Thank you.